birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Daddy. Happy birthday, Nana. Happy birthday, may God
Bless you.
bless you.
Happy birthday.
bless you. Happy birthday, bless you, Nana.
Okay. Say bye.
Say bye, bye.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Sishma, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you get updates when I upload my new videos. And let's start today's video. Today is December 5th and it is my husband's birthday today, and this video is going to be a very natural, simple, nothing fancy, basically a kind of memory which I wanted to save. So in this video you're gonna see the little celebration which is going on at home. Basically we are planning for Ayyappa Bhiksha today, which is nothing but we call Ayyappa Swamis to home and we give Bhiksha to them. And the cooking is also going on at home, and my mother herself is going to cook. So let us see what all we are cooking and how this Bhiksha ceremony is going to be performed. So yeah, that. A day before we have gone to Ayyappa Swami temple to take darshan, because we have this Bhiksha ceremony at home. We know we would be a little occupied, and yeah, we have gone to temple and took darshan of Lord Ayyappa Swami. We also have other gods in this temple, and this is a famous temple in my hometown. As I said before, we are cooking at home ourselves. Basically, my mother has already prepared most of the dishes in the early morning itself, as you can see here. And I haven't done much help though. It is great that for around 50 people she has cooked. So that's also a learning experience. Managing and knowing the quantities is also not easy. But yes, we have cooked for around 50 people. Here you can see some of the recipes which we have prepared. These are most traditional items which we generally prepare for any Bhiksha. This is a suji halwa or sira kesari we call, and some cabbage tomato curry, tomato dal, you can see potato curry here. This is vegetable chutney, and this is sambar and rice as commonly we eat, and the green chili bhaji or mirpakai bhaji we call, some papad. And basically we are not going to taste the food while preparing. We have to take bath and start preparing the food, and we shouldn't taste during the preparation. So it's not easy, so you should be very experienced to do that. And this is Naivedyam which we are giving to the god before serving the food. Here you can see the Swamis has sit, and basically we serve all the food onto the plate, and only after praying to the god they will start eating. We are going to serve each and every item including ghee. Unless we serve all the items, they wouldn't start eating. Once the Bhiksha ceremony is done, we are going to take Ashirwad or blessings from the Ayyappa Swamis by offering them betel leaf, banana and some amount, and then taking their blessings. We are going to eat only after the Swami Bhiksha is done. So here is our family having the lunch. I was very hungry and I was eagerly waiting for food to be served. Evening time. We have given a small present to my husband, and there was a small cake cutting ceremony at home with my parents and parents-in-laws. And basically we have ordered an old-fashioned sponge cake with a chocolate flavor. This basically reminds us of the childhood memories, because during our childhood we didn't have any cool cakes. We used to have only sponge cakes, so especially ordered a sponge cake. And yeah, kids are eagerly waiting to have cake. In this way, we have celebrated Nagarjuna, my husband's birthday, at home in a very simple manner. Hope you got some idea about how Ayyappa Bhiksha is performed. Even I didn't know all these formalities till I performed. I definitely got knowledge. Maybe in future if I have to do this, I know what to do and what all formalities has to be followed. That's it for today's video. Until I catch you with my next video, please stay safe, be healthy and stay happy. Bye bye.